A new ruling by the Indiana Supreme Court will affect traffic at railroad crossings across the state and strike down a statute the court says is preempted by two different federal laws. Eyewitness News' Sam Neff has been taking a close look at the statute and talking to people it will affect. Sam joins us live now from Boonville, home to many railroad crossings that will no longer be affected by the block crossing statute.
Brad, that's exactly right. And this ruling was made with safety in mind. But for people who live around railroad crossings like this one behind me here, this may slow things down a little bit. Living next to a railroad crossing, you could reasonably expect to be slowed down by a crossing train every now and then.
I mean, every once in a while we will, but when there is a train, it does take a long time for it to go. Maybe 30 minutes. I mean, really? I mean, come on, let's pick it up a little bit, you know.
The blocked crossing statute was designed to prevent that, allowing local authorities to fine rail companies for blocking street crossings for longer than 10 minutes, hundreds of dollars per infraction. The court found the statute is preempted by the Interstate Commerce Commission Termination Act and the Federal Railroad Safety Act, both of which prevent states from interfering with safe train operation. One woman who's lived next to a crossing for almost 10 years says it's the right decision.
I really don't think they need to be fined because, I mean, that's what does our coal and all that. So they're going to have to go slow. If they go any faster, I mean, it's going to tip or something, you know, off the tracks.
The ruling came after Norfolk Southern sought dismissal of several fines for exceeding the 10-minute limit. The company said it would have had to run trains at higher speeds, run shorter trains, or disassemble trains at crossings to comply with the statute. Still, the idea of trains not having a time limit for blocking crossings draws mixed reviews.
Yeah, I mean, try to move it a little quicker. I mean, do the best you can.
You should expect that. I mean, it's their job. Yes, it's worth it.
I also spoke with the spokesperson for the Evansville Western Railroad Company. He says that company has not received any citations, but nonetheless, he was not surprised by the ruling. Reporting live in Boonville, Sam Neff, Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you.